If you have oily skin, you might feel that moisturizer is your enemy. What if I told you that's not true? The moisturizer doesn't always make your skin oily. Even if you have acne-prone skin, your skin does need some hydration. Making your own homemade moisturizer is not difficult at all. It'll not only help you save a lot of money, but you will also be able to control the quality of ingredients present in the moisturizer. The DIY moisturizer that we are going to show you has two main ingredients, aloe vera and tea tree oil. Aloe Vera Gel is a good face moisturizer. It provides balanced moisturization to oily skin. It has acne reduction and anti-aging properties too. Tea tree oil treats and prevents acne. This homemade aloe vera moisturizer for oily skin will treat your active pimples and prevent new breakouts as well, without making your skin oily. To make this DIY aloe vera and tea tree oil moisturizer, you're going to need an airtight container. Make sure that it's completely dry. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into this jar. You can use 100% pure aloe vera gel from a freshly cut aloe vera leaf. Add 7 to 8 drops of tea tree essential oil into the jar. Then mix all the ingredients together nicely. Your homemade aloe vera moisturizer for oily skin is now ready for use. Use this DIY aloe vera tea tree moisturizer on a cleansed face. Just take a tiny amount of gel on your hands and rub it into your skin till it gets fully absorbed. You can store this DIY gel moisturizer in an airtight container for 7 to 8 days and then make a fresh batch. So why does this remedy work so well? Oily skin is tough to manage, but aloe vera and tea tree oil are two of the best natural ingredients to take care of your oily, acne-prone skin. Aloe vera has natural astringent properties that help absorb excess oil and any other impurities built up on the oily skin. Compounds in aloe vera have anti-inflammatory capabilities that help to heal scars created by acne. Aloe vera also contains a host of vitamins and minerals that help to take care of the skin and nourish skin without making it oily. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help kill acne-causing bacteria and makes room for new and clear skin. This makes it highly effective for spot treatment. Tea tree oil helps to balance the sebum production of the skin. Since it's antibacterial in nature, tea tree oil cleanses the pores and keeps infections at bay. Basically, tea tree oil is the hero in cutting through oil and grime that have built up on your skin throughout the day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use aloe vera overnight to treat acne scars, pimples, and zits. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.